Okay, students, what we're looking at in this video here is how to view teacher feedback on your grades. So what you'd want to do is click on the Grades tab on the side, and you'll notice the course grade, and you see these things have these little arrows next to it. If you click on the arrow, it's going to expand out and show the different levels of these categories. So this is semester 2, then this is the classwork category, and here's that one assignment. I've already turned in my assignment, and it looks like they left me a note saying this was a late submission. Okay, so this is one place that you'll see teacher feedback. It's just in this row. But there's way more than just that. So if you see this little box icon, that means the teacher used a rubric to grade this. So if you click on the box, it opens the rubric above and shows you more detail about where this 9 out of 10 came from. So I can see these 3 categories of content, organization, and details, and what grade I got in each one. Now another level of the rubric is you'll see these speech bubbles over here. So if I hover over it, I see it pops up and says, oh, I did an excellent job organizing in my organization category. And then on this one that I didn't do as well on, it gave me this feedback that apparently I should have had a list of sources that I didn't include, and that's why I got marked down there. Okay, there's one final place that we want to look for feedback. You'll notice that the assignment list here has changed a little bit so that I can show you something different. Notice on this main comment it says see rubric, comments on your submission, and audio feedback. We've already covered the rubric, so we want to look at this idea, how do you view comments on the submission and what's this audio feedback about? To see both of those things, you'll need to click on the title of the assignment because you can't click on the little paper icon, it just doesn't go there. So you click on the title of the assignment, and then you'll need to click on the link for the assignment that you already submitted. Now notice when this opens up, you'll see the assignment you submitted, but now it also has teacher comments on here about specific parts of this thing that you turned in. Right? So there could be things that are circled, there can be notes that you want to notice on the side. So those are comments that are directly on your paper submission. The final thing that we want to point out in this view is on the side here, there's a comment from the teacher that has this audio recording. Okay? You don't want to click this link, that will try and download the audio. You want to click on view. And when you click on view, it brings up what the teacher recorded for you, and you'd have this little message. So you see that there are multiple ways that teachers can provide you with feedback, right? There's the main comment line here. There's the rubric option that teachers might use with comments in the rubric. And then there's also the ability to comment directly on the submission, and you'll see those comments pop up. And there's audio commenting. Now, the big idea here is that it's important as a student to receive feedback from the teachers. You want to know when you're doing things correctly, and you want to get tips for how to improve. So hopefully that helps you understand all the ways that you can get feedback from your teachers through your Schoology grades.